Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Ghazi Haidar bin Muhammad Yusizal and I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan PAUD Hulu Terengganu and Kelas 5 Gemilang. Before I start, I would like to share a short poem. A pet is small, a pet is sweet. It runs so fast on tiny feet. We love our pets, we care each day. We keep them safe in every way. Have you ever lost something very special to you and suddenly your heart feels empty? Or you ever call your pet again and again but it never came back? How would you feel? Sad? Worried? Scared? Today, I'm going to share a touching story about love, hope, and never giving up. The title of the book is The Missing Pet, written by Kumaravelu. This book was published in the year 2000 by Pustaka Pepada Jaya in Selangor. It contains about 22 pages and is a part of a children's story series. It is a short and colorful storybook, especially written for young readers like us. This story is about a young girl and her beloved kitten. One day, the kitten suddenly goes missing and her whole world changed. At the beginning of the story, the girl was very happy. She has a small, cute kitten. She loves it very much. Every day, she plays with it, feeds it, and takes care of it. She also talks to it and spends a lot of time with it. The kitten is not just a pet to her, but also her best friend too. They enjoy every moment together and are always happy. But one day, something terrible happens. The kitten goes missing. The girl was shocked, confused, and scared. She cannot find her kitten anywhere. She looks around her house, checks every room, under the bed, and behind the doors. Then, she runs outside and searches in the garden. She calls her kitten again and again, but there is no answer. The kitten is gone. The girl feels very sad. Her heart feels empty. She misses her kitten very much. She keeps asking herself, where is my kitten? Is it safe? Even though she is very sad, she does not give up. She becomes brave and continues to search for her kitten. She looks in many places and asks people if they have seen it. Day by day, keep trying and never lose hope. After some time, something wonderful finally happens. She finds her kitten. The kitten is safe and alive. The girl feels very happy and relieved. She runs to her kitten and hugs it tightly. She was very thankful that her kitten is safe. At the moment, she truly understands how important her kitten is to her. She promised to take better care of it and always be responsible. This story teaches us many important lessons. First, it teaches us about love. We must love and care for animals with kindness. Second, it teaches us about responsibility. When we have a pet, we must protect it and keep it safe. Third, it teaches us not to give up. Even when things are difficult, we must keep trying. I really like this book because it is simple, meaningful, and easy to understand. It teaches us lessons that we can use in our daily lives. The pictures in the book are colorful and attractive. which make the story even more enjoyable to read. I would highly recommend this book to my friends because it is easy to understand and full of good values. In conclusion, The Missing Pet is not just a story about a lost kitten. It is a story about love, hope, and courage. It reminds us to care for the people and things we love, and not to give up no matter what happens. That is all from me. Thank you.